Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by placing a screen GUI and adding a scrolling frame inside it so you can see live results. Next, size and position the scrolling frame to match your layout. This determines visible area and anchors. Then, set canvas size to auto or a starting vector 2 so content can scroll. Once done, configure scroll bar thickness and scroll bar image color 3 to match your design. This affects usability. Make sure to lock the screen GUI and test appearance in Play Solo before adding content. Now populate the scrolling frame with UI elements so users have something to scroll through. Use UI list layout or UI grid layout to keep spacing consistent. This simplifies dynamic content. Then enable automatic canvas size on the layout to have canvas size update based on content bounds. For interactive lists, set layout order and name templates for cloning. Once cloned elements exist, connect button. Activated to functions in a local script, so interactions respond immediately. And finish by adding polished controls and safety checks for reliable behavior. For smooth jumps, use tween service with scrolling frame, scroll to position or scroll to object and ease the motion. This makes navigation feel natural. Next, clamp canvas size values and verify anchor point and pivot on children to avoid offset drifts. Finally, test on phone and desktop to confirm touch versus mouse scrolling. If things go wrong, check automatic canvas size first and ensure no child has a non-zero layout order or unexpected absolute size, causing overflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.